Hey YouTube, it's just a short video today. I've just done a service on this Arona, but I'm going to show you how to change the pollen filter. A lot of people have problems finding where the location is, etc. So I'll show you how to find the pollen filter in this 2018 Arona and how to replace it. Hope you enjoy. Here's a glove box, and if you're careful, you can pry it each side and get it out of its little keeps. One there and one there. Or if you'd rather, you can take the whole glove box out. But what we're looking for is here. This is the cover, and the pollen filter fits below there, and it's got these little tabs. So pull that one down, and it's got one this side. Pull that one down, and then we should be able to lift that out of the way. And here's the pollen filter. I don't know if you can see that airflow downwards. So you can pull that out as well. It's got the new one installed. Little fiddly one-handed. And remember, airflow down. That sits in there. And get the cover back on. Got three little lugs it sits in at the bottom. Lug there, lug there. No, it's got one in the other hand. See the three there now. Just push the top tabs back in, and it is as simple as that. And then glove box back up. Now I'm not going to be able to do that one-handed, I don't think. No, but you get the idea. So you can either take all the screws out or just gently pry it off each side and pop it down. I'll just pop that back together. Bits in the way now. That's always a problem with glove boxes. People have them loaded up very neatly, then when you disturb it all, there we go, they don't want to shut. So just a short video on changing the pollen filter, or cabin filter as it's also called, on a Arona. It's a 2018 and it's a left-hand drive version. If yours is a right-hand drive, it may be behind the glove box on the left-hand side, but it only takes 5 minutes to find that out anyway. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, like, hit the bell to get notified of new videos as and when they come out, and please leave comments and questions in the box below. Thanks for watching.